Next up is Team HapAdim.
I got one thing. Hi everyone, my name is Nesada. I'm from Albania. I've been here for almost 6 years, and ever since I was younger, I had these two passions, to be a cop and learn how to code. So when I came here, I graduated for criminal justice and forensic accounting, but still, I felt that I was missing something. So I got in this program. I speak three languages, Albanian, Italian, English, and thanks to C4Q, I added Java to my list. Looking forward to find a job as Android developer and to the new challenges. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Mal. I'm from Istanbul. I became interested in coding while I was working in the tech industry as a junior project manager. I realized that coding is actually a form of art and creativity and the key of future. And I wanted to learn this art to create future. Then I came to US 5 years ago to learn English and to change my life. After I attended college, I became I became, I'm sorry, I came across this wonderful opportunity named Access Code. Now I'm looking for an opportunity where I can create, build creative mobile applications for variety of clients from different industries. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. So my name is Max, born and raised in Brooklyn. I'm the father of two beautiful sons, one of them right now in the audience back there. Hey, baby. So, so since the beginning, I started my career in graphic design and retail. So I've been working with clients, speaking to them, helping them achieve their vision. But I didn't want to just create static images. I wanted to create digital experiences. So I joined up with C4Q to learn Android and Java. So I'm looking to join a company to where I can help them reach their vision and create new experiences across mobile devices. Thank you.
Greetings and good evening. My name is Queen of Bergen, or you can call me Q, because letters are always easy to remember. At the risk of dating myself, my first ever experience coding was selling HTML code for people's beautiful MySpace accounts. When I lost that platform, I ended up exploring myself creatively. I got into poetry, photography, and public speaking. I got an internship at Just Code Initiative in Atlanta, which then led me to learning about C4Q. After the program, I'm looking forward to a developer position that's going to challenge me as a creative as well as a programmer. Thank you. And we present HapAdim. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step.
Take that step with HapAdim. Our team is made up of people from different cities, states, and countries, so travel becomes our first thought when creating HapAdim.
So I know the name sounds a bit unique, but it's simple. Hop Adam. Hop means step in Albanian, Adam means step in Turkish. Step by step. And walking is very important to us, so we're looking to solve a problem. People just don't walk enough. They either travel by mass transit or they use apps like Uber and Lyft to just get a cab from where they are.
So our concept is simple, providing user fun walking experience. Encourage them to set goals by conquering the length of monuments, mountains, and great distance from across the world step by step.
Our goal process is easy. The user sees a location, the number of steps on the journey to the top, you start the challenge, and you conquer.
And once you finish your challenge, since you did a good job, you win some prizes. You get the badges of the challenge, and you receive 360 experience of that location from the top. I can't wait to see it.
But you don't have to wait to see. You can start your new adventure today. Climb the Statue of Liberty, complete the New York City Marathon, walk the length of the Great Wall of China, or even climb the 58,531 steps it takes to get to the top of Mount Everest. But there's no need to continue. Let's just demo the app. The first thing you see when you enter the HapAdim app is the onboarding screen. Push yourself beyond your limits to accomplish your goals. So we have 3 different categories: mountains, monuments, and long distances, all denoted by the icons above. Throughout your journey, you'll receive tips for you to increase the amount of steps you take per day, thereby increasing the amount of challenges you can complete. And once you complete a challenge, you'll receive a virtual reality experience that is beautiful from the top. Do we all get it? All right, let's go.
Cool.
All right, this is the screen where we can see the 3 categories. In each horizontal list, we can see the top 5 locations of that category. We see the picture, and we see the step numbers at the bottom of the image.
To make the things easy, you can go to View All button located at the bottom of the landing page. Once you enter, you can see all the locations.
Hey, Nasada, is there any way we can actually sort this from shortest to longest distance?
Yes, you can go in the corner to the sorting icon, sort the distance, and there you go.
All right, so we're actually going to begin a challenge, and since we're in New York, and I believe a bunch of us are native New Yorkers, we're going to go with the Statue of Liberty. So this is the beginning of your journey. On the top, you'll see 3 beautiful images of the location. You'll get the amount of steps it takes to conquer the challenge. You get some location facts of where you are, possible badges you can unlock, and on the bottom, there's a link to a 360 experience, which is locked right now since we haven't completed the challenge. For instance, with the location facts, Q, did you know at the bottom of the Statue of Liberty's feet, she has broken chains?
Broken chains, Max?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I also didn't know it takes 354 steps to the top, but I'm excited to start this challenge. So let's go. When you start a challenge, you then enter the In Progress screen. The first thing you see is the tip icon. So let's read today's tip. Why not come off the bus or train a stop early and get some extra few steps in? It's a good idea. Okay. So below that tip, you have the steps you have taken as well as the steps you have left. For demo purposes, we decrease the number so that we can see the badges and the VR video unlocked. Below, you see the badges that you've collected thus far for starting the challenge, as well as your locked VR video. Once the user goes through the challenge and gets to the bottom of, I'm just gonna walk it out here. This is, just gonna enjoy this journey here. Oh, we still had steps left. There's no one counting there. All right, sorry about that, guys. Now, so once you have reached the point where you have 0 steps left, you then receive another badge for completing the challenge, as well as a great job, you conquered the Statue of Liberty. Below, you can see the click to view, and then you can enjoy a 360-degree experience of the location that you've conquered. This is also compatible with cardboard, so you could use it for third-party virtual reality devices as well. Statue of Liberty is certainly beautiful. All right. So when you come out of the app as well, you can check out the. Which one are we at? All right. When you come out of the application, you go to the landing page, you'll have all the badges that you've acquired thus far. And this is currently our iteration of the application.
Okay, what's next? We want to implement a feature that allows users to change their challenge with different other users, like friends or families. Also, even creating walking groups with different people from all over the world.
We want users to be able to visualize their progression for each challenge as well as for the lifetime of the application by using user graphs. It'd be awesome if users could actually choose their locations. Imagine you walking to your grandma's house in California. Last but not least, we want to integrate third-party devices such as Bluetooth, smartwatches, pedometers, and Fitbits.
So we actually have a treat for you guys. We created a commercial for the app, so you get an idea of what we're looking to do.
And we would like to thank John, Eric, Andrew, Elon, and Auntie Danny.
We also want to take this time to thank all of the panelists for participating in tonight's events, as well as C4Q for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. When we were looking originally when we first created the application, when we were going into sensors, that was the immediate first thing that we thought, because like everything involved elevation, and we were only doing linear. We decided to go that route was because particularly C4Q's location, there's probably maybe enough steps for me to count on my hand that you would travel to, or at least most people. And we realized that people just may not encounter steps. So what we did is that for each of the locations that we have, we actually took the longest route it would take for you to get to the top. So imagining Mount Everest, we took the longest mileage from the bottom to the top. So that way we kind of can even out the fact that we were only doing linear steps. But that was one of the things we were thinking about. And some people just don't have steps in their daily life.
So one thing that would be fun to add to this is if I'm on step 31,000 of the Mount Everest climb, if I can look and see a picture of what it would look like if I was there, or step 1100 of the, I don't know, the Statue of Liberty, except there aren't 1100 steps, but you know what I mean. But give me something that is going to keep encouraging me to go, right? Because I know that if I get to the top of Mount Everest, I'll see whatever you would see from the summit.
I just want to say it was just an excellent presentation of the what and the how, and I just felt like I understood from a layperson exactly what you were trying to achieve. So congratulations on that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great. Well, thank you for that presentation, HapAdim. That was very impressive. I have always dreamt of climbing up Mount Everest, so I'm trying to check that out. And you guys can all experience that virtual reality wonder, right? Later on in the reception tonight, we are having our final group come up tonight that's in contact. Please help me welcome them up to the stage.